How to watch live football on YouTube TV on Apple TV. Step number 1. Install YouTube TV on your Apple TV. From the Apple TV home screen, open the App Store. Search for YouTube TV in the search bar, then select the YouTube TV app from the search results and click Get to install the app. Step number 2. Sign in to your YouTube TV account. After the app is installed, open YouTube TV from the Apple TV home screen. Sign in using your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 3, navigate to live football games. Once signed in, use the search function to find specific football games or browse through the live or sports sections for ongoing or upcoming football matches. You can also go to the sports tabs to find live games including NFL, college football, and more. Step number 4, start streaming. Select the football game you want to watch from the list of available live events. The game will begin streaming live on your Apple TV. Step number 5, adjust playback settings, optional. YouTube TV generally adjusts video quality automatically based on your internet speed, but you can check the app settings for any adjustments if necessary.